This dunya is not a sign of how much Allah loves you or hates you. This dunya is a test. It's a test for the wealthy and it's a test for the poor. The wealthiest people in history were some of the worst people. Fir'aun was pretty wealthy, right? And the poorest people, homeless people, Ibrahim alayhi salam was deported. Someone who's been deported, lost his immigration, right? And he's been made homeless. And he's one of the best human beings that ever lived, right? And we're not saying that wealth is evil. Wealth is not evil, but it's not good either. It's all a test. And everything that comes to us from Allah is a ni'mah. All of it is a ni'mah. And we will be asked about each and every one of it. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. The other meaning of na'im, because of the ya in it, is a constant blessing. Blessings that you enjoyed consistently. You turned the tap and water just came out. You opened the eyes and the ability to see was there. You didn't have to file an application every time. They were just made available and accessible to you. So you'll be asked about these instances of na'im. The way that Ash-Shawkani deals with this subject, he says, and the way he ties it together, subhanallah, عن النعيم الدنيا الذي ألهاكم عن العمل للآخرة. The surah began, takathur did what to you? It distracted you. What are the things that distracted us? Na'im. The blessings Allah gave us are the ones that distracted us. If we remember that these blessings will be the things that will be questioned, then instead of these blessings becoming a means by which we get distracted, these blessings will become a means by which we stay on track. The blessings of Allah becomes a means to remember Him, to remember and to be grateful to Him, and to remember that we will be answerable for these amanat that Allah has given us, because in the end, whatever we've been given is not ours, it's His. فَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَمَتَاعُ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Whatever you've been given is worldly utility. And it was given to you, it's not yours. It was, you know when he says, it was given to you? That means it wasn't yours, it was somebody else's, right? It's Allah's, and it was given to you. And it's given to you, it will be also taken away. SubhanAllah. So, ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. In regards to an-na'im for the believer, another commentary that we find is, it will also be the messenger. It will be the Qur'an. It will be the truth. Isn't that the ultimate blessing in this world? What did you do with that blessing? What did you do with this knowledge? What did you do with the fact that Allah blessed you to say Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? That's not a small gift. There's 80% of the world's population doesn't enjoy that gift, but we do. You'll be asked about that too. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. Qatada says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ سُبْحَانَهُ سَائِلٌ كُلَّ ذِي نِعْمَةٍ عَمَّا أَنْعَمَ عَلَيْهِ وَهَذَا هُوَ الظَّاهِرُ. He says, no doubt it is Allah who will be the questioner of everyone who possesses any single blessing in regards to whatever facilitation He had given to him, and that is truly apparent and obvious. The last thing we're going to read is a narration of Ibn Abi Hatim. This is tying up the whole surah, and we'll conclude inshaAllah. أَلْهَاكُمُ التَّكَاثُرُ يَعْنِي عَنِ الطَّاعَةِ. The urge of plentifulness deluded you, meaning it deluded you from obedience to Allah. حَتَّى زُرْتُمُ الْمَقَابِرِ يَقُولْ حَتَّى يَأْتِيكُمُ الْمَوْتِ. Until you visited the graves means until death came to you. كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ يَعْنِي لَوْ قَدْ دَخَلْتُمْ قُبُورَكُمْ. No, you will soon find out. That's what the ayah says. No, not at all. Soon you're going to find out. That means, had you only found out at the time when you will be entering into your graves, ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Then again you will find out, لَوْ قَدْ خَرَجْتُم مِّن قُبُورِكُمْ إِلَى مَحْشَرِكُمْ. This is at the time, had you known, when you will come out of your graves into the place of your gathering. كَلَّا لَوْ تَعْلَمُونَ عِلْمَ الْيَقِينِ. Had you only had knowledge of certainty, لَوْ قَدْ وَقَفْتُمْ عَلَى أَعْمَالِكُمْ بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَبِّكُمْ. Had you just stopped to think about your deeds that you're doing in the presence of your Master. لَتَرَوُنَّ الْجَحِيمِ. Soon you will see the blazing, staring flame. وَذَلِكَ أَنَّ الصِّرَاطِ يُوضَحْ وَسَطَ جَهَنَّمَ. And this is on the path that leads you and goes through the hellfire. And before you get to the paradise, what will you be seeing? All of us will be seeing the Jahannam also. Some will fall in it and others will escape. May Allah make us of those who escape. فَنَاجَ مُسْلِمٌ. Then the Muslim will escape. وَمَخْدُوشُ الْمُسْلِمُونَ وَمَخْدُوشْ فِي نَارِ جَهَنَّمَ. And he will be warded off from it entirely. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ. يعني Shab'ul butun. You will be asked about all kinds of favor. What does that mean? That which fulfilled your stomachs. وَبَارِدُ الشَّرْبِ, and cold drink. وَظِلَالُ الْمَسَاكِنِ, and the shade of your homes. وَاعْتِدَالُ الْخُلْقِ, and the balance of your creation. 2 working hands, left side, right side. The way we were created in such balanced fashion. وَلَذَّةُ النَّوْمِ, and the sweetness of sleep. So, these are the na'im that he talks about. I mean, we don't even think about this stuff as na'im. I was just taking a nap. You'll be asked about the nap you took. SubhanAllah. May Allah Azza wa Jal prepare us and make us truly grateful.